We'll guide you through how to change rotation speed in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many beginners want to learn basic animation in Blender, but find keyframes and movement confusing. Simple step-by-step guidance helps them understand how to animate objects, control rotation, and adjust timing. First, tap Blender to open the application on your device or computer. Once it is open, locate the playback panel at the bottom of the screen and drag it upward so you can see more of the timeline clearly. Next, select the default cube in the scene by clicking on it. After selecting the cube, press the K key on your keyboard to insert keyframes. When the menu appears, choose Location, Rotation, and Scale to record the starting position, rotation, and size of the cube. After that, press Shift and the spacebar together to play the animation and move to another frame along the timeline. Press the same keys again to stop the playback when you reach the frame you want to edit. Then, on the left side menu, look for the Rotation tool and select it. Use the Rotation tool to rotate the cube along the axis you prefer, such as the X, Y, or Z axis. Once you have adjusted the rotation, press K again and choose the same options as before, which are Location, Rotation, and Scale, to insert another keyframe. Repeat these steps several times by moving to different frames, adjusting the rotation, and adding keyframes to create a smooth animation. Continue doing this until you are satisfied with the motion of the cube. Once you are done, go to the Output section on the right side menu. In this section, look for the time stretching option and extend it so you can adjust the duration of the animation. Change the new section number to 50 or a shorter value depending on how long you want the animation to be. After making these adjustments, review your animation again by pressing Shift and the spacebar to play it from the beginning. Watch carefully to ensure the movement is smooth and consistent. If needed, go back and adjust the keyframes or rotation until you achieve the desired result. This process helps you create a simple animated motion using keyframes in Blender effectively.